What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today, we're going to be opening up Evolving Skies Elite Trainer box. Still searching for... I should have brought scissors. Searching for the alternate arts of the evolutions. Hopefully, if we can pull the Rayquaza or the Dragonite. A lot of dope cards. Hoping to pull really dope. As you can see here. Oh yeah, the gold cards. This is the card we want, the best card in the set. And that's it. Alright, let's get started. Alright. Take this out. You can see here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Just to make sure. And the sleeves. Comes a code card if anyone wants it. And it is gone. Alright. Energy. Dividers. Counters. And then the pin that comes with the Pokemon Center exclusive ETB. And then the dice. And we have the coin of Flareon, Jolteon, Umbreon, and Leafeon. Alright, let's get started. Move this out the way. Sleeves. I got too many sleeves. Alright. Let's get it. Can we get an Umbreon? Or Flareon? Kinda... Well, we did get something. I was trying to get the code card, but I can see something, but what is it? Trevent VMAX. Alright. Cool. First pack of the day of VMAX. Alright, not a bad start. And here is a code card. It's a white code card. Everybody plays the game online, and it is gone. Alright, cool. Messed that one up. Okay, next pack. Let's get it. Oh, you know what? The code card was in the back for the last pack. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's interesting. Error? Error? I don't know. Vigroth, Lumbre, Rapid Scroll of Flying Dragon, Nickit, Dweeble, Rufflet, Roggenrola, Wobbuffet, Boulder, and nothing. Regular rare, Gorgeist. Alright, next pack. I'll be crazy. I'll flip out if we get the Rayquaza. If we get the Rayquaza, I'm gonna flip out. I think a PSA 10 is going for like about $1,000. I think it's gonna drop. That's how it all goes whenever a new set comes out, and the alternate cards will go for a lot, and then it'll slowly die down depending on how many prints there is. And holographic. Oh, I dropped it. Holographic Ludicolo. Alright. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Plenty of packs to go. Plenty of packs. Now I have... Oh, you know what? It's the way I'm opening it. That's why. Because I'm opening it like this and the code card's in the back. Okay, we did. Okay, see. I see something. But here's the code card. So we did get something. 1, 2, 3, 4. But I don't know what it is, though. Is it a... Definitely not a Rayquaza, I'll tell you that. I saw the color, but... Ombre. Lillipup. Bagon. Leo. Lotad. Teddy Ursa in the reverse, and Sylveon VMAX! Alright, we got a Sylveon VMAX. Look at that. We got one of the evolutions, even though it's not the alternate, but it's still one of the evolutions. Sylveon VMAX Rapid Strike. Alright. Not too bad. And we still got plenty of packs to go. This ETB is already a whole lot better than the last video. Because in the last video, all we got was holos. I mean, holos are good, but it's not what we want. What am I going to do with holos? Probably sell them. I don't know. Oh, I can't open it. Okay. Code card. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Water. Energy. Scroll. Ursaring. Swoobat. Dedino. Teddy Ursa. Feebas. Hoppip. Hitmonchan. Bergmite. And Altaria. Rare, non-hollow. Alright. Alright, how many packs we have left? We got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're halfway. We have 5 more packs. We're halfway there. Code card. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. Digging Gloves. Stormy Mountains. Shelgon. Fletching. Tentacool. Pikachu. Seedot. Lillipup. Crustle. And Appleton. Rare. Non-hollow. Alright, next pack. I need to get scissors. This takes too much time. It probably gets, the video probably gets boring when I'm trying to just open this and blah blah blah. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4. Alright, can we get an alternate card, please? Something. Any of them, or an evolution. Another evolution. Hitmonchan. Fetchling. Tentacool. Pikachu. Seedot. Reverse Tentacool. And the rare Umbreon V. Alright. Another evolution, not the alternate, but we got an evolution. Umbreon V. Alright, single strike, not that bad. We are actually getting some hits in this ETB. Not bad, not bad. And we have 3 packs to go. Now I have 2 ETBs left, and it is the regular version. Only 8 packs. This, what I'm opening up first is the Pokemon Center. What? I'm not tripping, right? Was that 2 code cards? Wait, what? Didn't I just... Or did I put it behind there like a dummy? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Where did this come from? Okay. Romby, Flaffy, Pyroar, Philosopher, Love Disc, Fletching, Chinchou, Pedal, Scrafty, and a Hollow Dialga. Single strike. Alright. Was there 2 code cards in there? I'm gonna have to look back at that video. I think there was 2 code cards in there, unless I showed the code card and I put it to the back. I don't know. I'm tripping. I don't know if I am, but I'll have to look back. Here is the code card. Oh, right here. 3, 2, 1, and it is gone. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can we get an evolution? SQ. Full face card. Hypno. Bagon. Lit Leo. Lotad. Teddy Ursa. Crogranol. Snow Leaf Badge. And Gigalith. Rare. Alright. Last pack. Can we get last pack magic, y'all? Can we get an alternate card? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Give me something. Come on. Nigget. Dweeble. Rufflet. Roggenrola. The reverse. Last pack. Drum roll, please. And nothing. Woo! All right. Not too bad of an ETB. Nothing too crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 55 out of 10. So 50-50. Trevor VMAX. Dialga Hollow. Umbreon V. Sylveon VMAX. And the Hollow Ludicolo. Well, I'll see y'all next week in the next video of the next ETB of the regular ones. And I'll see y'all next week. Bye!